Hi, I'm parked up at the Cold Nap at this sort of raised car park area, and I look down at the floor and I pick up this piece of this is a piece of medieval courseware, probably from about the 1100s. Now somebody dumped a load of soil on the side of this car park, like by the bin. Right, if anyone who sees this on Facebook knows that they dumped this bit of soil, right, you're not in any trouble, right? I want to know which garden this has actually come from. So it's dark soil, it's local soil, right? So I'm going to have just a little bit of a trowel in here. It's all clayey trowel, but whoever dumped this year has got some medieval stuff in their garden. It's great. Tell you what, if this is you, right, I'd love to have a look at your flower beds. This is obviously local soil. That's a mussel shell there in this. So we've got pottery from about the 1100s in somebody's garden, and they've dumped this soil. I know it's unstratified, but look at this. Finding one bit of pottery, there should be more, right? I know whoever's dumped this year, right, I don't care if you've broken any laws, right? I just want to know who you are, and I just want to know where this bit of pottery has actually come from. Anyway, so this is a little bit of a field video down at the Cold Nap, so you know where I am. And yes, this is active archaeology on the front. Anyway, there's nothing else, but anyway, object today. So we'll sort of show this here. Bit of pottery, courseware, probably from about the 1100s. It's great finding this. This is from somebody's garden and they've dumped it here. Amazing. Anyway, thank you very much. Whoever this is and remembers to dump this here, personal message me and I'd love to have a chat with you. You're not in any trouble. Just please get in touch, because yeah, it's great, isn't it? Medieval pottery, 1100s, great. It's from a Barry garden from the soil. Thank you.